Underneath the Christmas tree. Happy holidays. It's Friday the 23rd, almost Christmas Eve. So yeah, I'm gonna go downtown and do some last minute shopping. I shopped online for the most part. And it's now 5 o'clock. I'm here listening to Christmas music and I'm like, you know what, let me go, because if I keep playing these Christmas songs, I ain't going nowhere. But yeah, I was here jamming to my Christmas songs. I'm just like, yeah, I'm definitely in a holiday spirit this year. Last year was definitely a no. Hell no. Oh, who's calling me? Last year was definitely a no. Sister, it's cold outside. My best friend just called me like, oh, where you going? I was like, you forgot, I told you I'm going downtown. He's like, it's cold outside. It's 0 degrees. I said, I guess I'm gonna put on my teddy coat because I have to go. She said, it's 0 degrees. Where you going? You're funny. Thank God for this teddy coat. I bought this Boohoo, I think it was. Yeah, I think it was Boohoo. I bought this. And yeah, they're my Uggs. Cozy. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready to go now. This scarf really came in handy. I got it from JCPenney. Like, I forgot how much it was, but it was less than $10. I think it. I don't think it was more than $10. But yeah, it's funny. It's about to come in handy right now. I look cozy, don't I? Let me get some gloves and I'm out. Okay, so I just got out here. It is freaking 18 degrees. And I know y'all can see how cold I am. That is so cold. My wind blowing back. Yo, this wind. The wind is different. I don't have gloves, my touchscreen gloves. I'm on the escalator. I'm not ready for this shit, though. It is so cold outside. I didn't even know it was so cold outside. It's crazy. It is really 19 degrees outside. That's a nice car. Oh, nice. I just got off the train. Oh my God, it is freezing out here. Freezing, like, what the, yo. I know y'all see this wind. You see this wind? It's not compared to the cold. Like, oh, Burlington. I haven't been in Burlington. Or maybe I should go in Burlington instead of Bath and Body. That's so typical. I think I am gonna go in Burlington. But yo, nah. Woo! Jesus. See that wind? This traffic is different. So I'm gonna go in Burlington. They have salt on the ground because it's gonna snow, I guess. This is what the wind did to me. Ooh, this is what the wind is doing. wind, this weather, my finger, yo, I literally have this one thumb out holding a phone. Okay, so I have one full, and the touchscreen barely working. I'm weak. And then I have one thumb out. So I'm at Burlington. Dave and Buster's. Okay. I haven't been to Dave and Buster's in a minute. Hey, I'm in Burlington now. I'm here. Somebody at teeth. It's a real throwback. Like, if you know, you know. I remember my dad bought me this for my birthday. You know I'm getting this, right? I'm gonna get this. This shit is real throwback. Pick it up. Price on here. Oh, $25. Yep, I'm getting it. So, the last one of Christmas shopping for me. All the shit that I got me. I swear this last minute shopping is not it. Of course I should have known better, but I had no other choice. I got to work. And the one day I didn't go to work, it's because I was exhausted. So I wasn't coming out here. My hair. This wind is just messing up my hair. You know what? It's fine. Mess it up all you want. Just don't take it off. I found some really nice bags for them. Oh, Burlington be having the deals. I can't believe I found this in here. Freaking JLO. Go by JLO. I used to love this perfume. Like, what? The fact that they have that in here. First of all, I know she still makes her. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, Tommy Hilfiger. This is a cute bag. Okay, Burlington, I see y'all. This bag is cute. I just don't like the pearls on the chain, but it's cute. I like the color. And I feel like I'm gonna get it for myself. It's a cute bag. It's cute. How much is it? $18? Listen, when you shopping for females, and if all hell fails, just get some bags. Okay? Just come into Burlington and get some bags, because Burlington bags is nice. Like, all of them might not be name brand. Oh, bags galore. Bags galore. And that's not even $150. So. All these bags for less than $200. Like, what? What? I didn't take my JLo perfume. I didn't. I said, I'm gonna come back for that. This is more important right now. It's not like I don't have cologne. I'll come back for that one. But I'm gonna get on this line now and see what's gonna get out of here. Maybe I still go to Bath and Body. Look at this freaking line. I don't think y'all can see. I don't see where I end up. That line is all the way down there. Oh my god. This line is not pretty at all. I'm sorry. Yep, and I love the deals. Man, never lied. I'm about to freaking go home now. traffic. Yo, his car broke down in the middle of freaking streets. Now his car breaking down and he got put down. That is so crazy. Damn, block up all this traffic.
You wait to the last minute?
Everybody say, hey, but they can't do nothing about it. Traffic blocking. It's too much. Too much going on today. You know, I'm scared to go outside. This wind is not nice. Ooh, I think I'm about to get me a pretzel cinnamon or something. See how far I'm at from the door? And the minute they open the door, my hair getting a mess. My hair's a mess. Yeah, see the time? 8:54. It's probably like, bump. Y'all see this? Full blown 9 degrees right now. 8:54 p.m. Tomorrow gonna be 19. Sunday 27. Monday 30. Yo, it was 18 degrees when I came outside. Now it's 9. And I like it. So. Yo. Yo. I don't have no video on my head now. I gotta put this scarf on my head. New York will not be seeing me next year. Y'all see that? See this? I have to put this scarf on my head. I have to. This wig gonna come off. My wig gonna come off. I'm gonna put this scarf on my head. Looking at something while I'm looking cute. What Cardi B said. Yeah. I like it. I like it.
Yeah! Me not like it. Me not like it, man. Oh, man, I'm scared, man. Husband.
Yo, that's what it's giving right now. Me not like it's either Cardi B. Scared ain't the word. I have to find my ass back at that train station. I can't say I'm gonna take an Uber home because look at all this freaking traffic out here still. Like, look at all this traffic. So much freaking traffic. I'm gonna show y'all the ice on the floor. Look at the ice on the floor. That's how cold it is across. Baby, I don't got time. This is not it. You didn't come out of our ice. Not stopping to get no food. I Uber Eats because my face right now. Because so let's see. Alright, so I said I cannot feel my face. I cannot feel my face. Like this. Okay, like that. How it's gonna come. My train is here, finally. Thank God. Right by my yard.
The next stop is Bourbon Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.